Hello everyone. So now we'll understand what is the difference between gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. Okay. So gradient descent represented by GD, stochastic gradient descent represented by SGD. Okay. So first understand what is GD. So gradient descent, it is an optimization algorithm. It is an optimization algorithm used for minimizing the cost function, in various machine learning algorithms. Okay, various machine learning algorithms. So let's understand first what is actually basically the cost function is. Okay, so cost function is the difference between, it is the difference between the expected value and the predicted value. Okay, so it is an important parameter that determines how well a machine learning model performs for a given data set. Okay, so the objective of any machine learning model is to find the parameters or the weights that minimize the cost function. Okay, so what is the objective of any machine learning model? To find any parameters, or weights, you can see, that can minimize the cost function. Okay, so we can say that now gradient descent is an attempt to find the minimum cost function. Let's understand this with an graph. Okay, so what is the object of machine learning algorithm? To find the weight so that there can be minimum cost function. Okay, so let's make a graph between weights and, you can say, the loss function. Okay, so the gradient descent is an algorithm that attempts to find a local or global minima of a function. Okay, so for example, we are making graph between weight and loss. So the graph will be something like this. So when we change the weights, the loss function we'll get, and we'll plot the graph like this. For various weights, we'll update the loss. Okay, so gradient descent is an algorithm that finds the local minima or a global minima. So this is the local minima. Okay, so this is the point where the loss or the cost function will be minimum. So gradient descent is that algorithm that finds this point, this local minima, for which the loss function is minimum. Okay, so so at this point, we can say that the model has optimized the weights that they can minimize the cost function. Okay, so we have two things for minimize the cost function, that is GD and SGD, gradient descent and stochastic gradient descent. Okay, so let's understand the difference between both of them. Okay, so gradient descent will take all training examples for updating the weight. Okay, or to find the new weight, it will take all the training examples into consideration. while SGD will take only one example for updating the weights. Okay, so for finding a new weight, gradient descent will take all the training examples, while SGD will take only a single example. So let's see this with the help of equation. So for gradient descent, new weight or updated weight will be old weight. Okay, this is old weight minus gradient of loss function. So here alpha is the learning rate. Okay, and this is the gradient. While for SGD, new weight will be old weight minus alpha. So cost function, see here, we are specifically writing for a single example. It will take on for a single example, and this, it will take all the examples into consideration. Okay, so this is GD and SGD. So the next difference is, so in GD, so much computation is involved. As it is considering all the examples, so much computation is involved. While in SGD, less computation is involved. So it is a faster algorithm. Is faster than GD. Okay, because it is considering single example, so it is faster than GD. Means it will find the local minima faster. Okay. So, but now here we have third difference, or we can say that the disadvantage of SGD, that SGD is not calculating the actual gradient, but an approximate. It is taking the approximate. So we see a lot of fluctuation in the cost, but still it is much better choice than GD. Okay, so we can say that instead of taking actual gradient, it will take the approximate. Okay, so this is one of the disadvantage, but still we prefer SGD. Okay, so let's understand GD and SGD with a real-time example. For example, we want to take the feedback of the customer for any product. Okay, feedback for any product. Okay, so you have so many customers for that. So in GD, what we will do, we'll take the feedback from all the customers and update the product. After taking feedback from all customers. Okay. While in stochastic gradient descent, we'll take the feedback from customer 1 and update the product. Okay. Then we'll, with the updated product, we will take the feedback from customer 2. Then we'll update the product. So like that process will go on. So you can see that from this example, you can understand that SGD is a better choice because we are getting updation at each and every step. While GD involves lots of computation, and after taking feedback from all the customers, we are updating the product, right? So this is the basic difference between SGD and GD. Okay. So this is all about GD and SGD. Thank you. Bye-bye.